How to import ICS file to iPhone calendar. Got an ICS calendar file and want to add it to your iPhone? In this video, we'll show you a few ways to do that. So the first thing you can do is to open up iCloud on your Safari. So once you're on iCloud, click on the sign in button and then sign in with your iCloud account. Once signed in, go ahead and agree with these terms and conditions, and then you'll need to apply the two-factor verification. So once you're on your iCloud account on your browser, you can go ahead and easily select calendar from there. Click on the gear icon and select import, and then upload your ICS file, and the events will sync automatically to your iPhone's calendar app. So if your ICS file is hosted online, you'll need to copy the subscription link, and then after that, head over into the calendar app on your iOS device. Click on this calendars button, which should basically find at the bottom middle of your screen. So once you're on this section, click on this add calendar button and then select add subscription calendar, and then paste the subscription link into the section and click on subscribe to add that calendar into your iOS calendar. And that is how you can easily import ICS file to iPhone calendar.